What is the thing called that you wear on your feet before putting on shoes?
It is called a sock.
What is the thing called that you use to unlock or lock doors?
It is called a key.
What is the thing called that you use to clean your teeth?
It is called a toothbrush.
What is the thing called that you use to eat soup?
It is called a spoon.
What is the thing called that you use to protect yourself from rain?
It is called an umbrella.
What is the thing called that you wear on your eyes to protect them from the sun?
It is called sunglasses.
What is the thing called that you use to cut paper?
It is called scissors.
What is the thing called that you use to control the television from a distance?
It is called a remote control.
What is the thing called that you use to measure the length or width of an object?
It is called a ruler.
What is the thing called that you wear on your head when it's cold outside?
It is called a hat or a cap.
What is the thing called that you use to climb up to reach high places?
It is called a ladder.
What is the thing called that you use to erase pencil markings?
It is called an eraser.
What is the thing called that you use to cover your bed?
It is called a blanket.
What is the thing called that you use to carry your school books and supplies?
It is called a backpack.
What is the thing called that you use to dry your body after taking a shower?
It is called a towel.
What is the thing called that you use to take notes? It's often made of paper and bound together.
It is called a notebook.
What is the thing called that you use to look at your own reflection?
It is called a mirror.
What is the thing called that you use to keep your clothes clean while cooking?
It is called an apron.
What is the thing called that you use to remove the lid from a bottle?
It is called a bottle opener.
What is the thing called that you use to store your clothes? It's typically a piece of furniture with drawers and dare a hanging rod.
It is called a wardrobe or a closet.
What is the thing called that you use to clean your hair and scalp in the shower?
It is called shampoo.
What is the thing called that you use to remove wrinkles from your clothes using heat?
It is called an iron.
What is the thing called that you use to preserve food and keep it cool?
It is called a refrigerator.
What is the thing called that you use to keep your room warm during cold weather?
It is called a heater.
What is the thing called that you use to keep the sun out of your eyes? It's a piece of material that hangs in a window.
It is called a curtain or a blind.
What is the thing called that you use to increase the volume of your voice, often used in concerts or speeches?
It is called a microphone.
What is the thing called that you use to observe distant objects, like stars or faraway landscapes?
It is called a telescope.
What is the thing called that you use to keep track of your tasks and appointments? It's usually made of paper or digital.
It is called a planner or an agenda.